Thanks for joining us today. This tutorial will walk you through how to embed a video in your campaigns using Playable. With Playable, you can embed video into your email campaigns in two ways. If your preferred email platform is integrated with Playable, you have the option of linking your Playable account with your email platform, which enables you to add video to your email campaigns with a few point-and-click actions. The platforms Playable is currently integrated with, along with links to the tutorials, are listed opposite. If you're using an email platform which Playable is not yet integrated with, that's no problem. This tutorial will walk you through how to embed video in your email template with any email platform. For the purposes of demonstration, we will be using MailChimp as our preferred email platform today. We are now going to create our video content. Firstly, we'll need to log into Playable. If you don't have an account, it's free to join and you'll get full access to the console. Once we are logged in, we are greeted with our welcome page. From here, you can administer your Playable account. Today, we're going to add a new video. So we click Videos, which takes us to our video dashboard, and then we click the Add Video prompt. Firstly, we need to create a title for our video. This is for admin purposes only. We'll name ours MailChimp Tutorial. Next, we need to confirm the dimensions of the video to be displayed within our template. These will be the size of the image we are replacing in our template, which is 564 by 212. We are now ready to upload our video content to Playable. We can upload content as a video file from our computer or as a link from a hosting platform such as YouTube, Vimeo or Instagram. Today we're going to use some YouTube footage. We simply copy the URL of the YouTube video we wish to upload and paste it into the field, then click Apply. The upload time will vary relative to the size of the video. During the upload, Playable creates a 10-second edit of the video as an option for you to use in your email, though in most cases you will wish to edit the video to create your own clip. To commence editing our video, we click Editor. Our objective is now to create the most compelling video content with a maximum duration of 10 seconds. This duration is designed to ensure all recipients receive the very best video email experience. Our video is now shown in the editor. In the main screen, you will see an area framed by a dotted line. This represents the area of the video which will be embedded within our email and is derived from the image dimension we entered earlier. We can move this area to select a preferred area of the video. To create our video email content, we select clips from the video using the timing slider and the Add Clip panes. We need to keep an eye on the duration of the edit, which is shown here. Once we are happy with our edit, we click Continue. We now have the option to add a range of enhancements to our video. These are designed to help reinforce our messaging. We can add captions which appear at the foot of the video at time intervals we select. We can add or remove a click watermark. We can add an end card, which may be our branding or a call to action. And finally, we can include a footer with a call to action. We now click Compile. Playable now creates over 100 versions of the video. It is these which are used to deliver the very best video email experience for all recipients, relative to the device and connection type on which they are viewing the email. The next step is to add our click action. We click the menu item which gives us three choices. Today we're going to redirect any recipient who clicks on the video to the full video on YouTube, so we add the URL and save it. We have now completed the editing of our video email clip. We can now preview our video across the major email clients and also send a sample to our colleagues for checking by simply completing the form here. We are now ready to embed the video clip within our email template. To prepare for this, we have logged into MailChimp and opted to create a new template by pasting our code into MailChimp. This is the template we're going to use, and this is the image we are looking to replace with our video clip. We copy the HTML for the template and paste it into the MailChimp page, deleting the default HTML which MailChimp provides as we do this. We can now see our template to the left. We now locate the image tag within the HTML. We return to Playable and select MailChimp as our email service provider and copy the Playable HTML to our clipboard. We now return to MailChimp and delete the image tag we located earlier and paste our Playable HTML into the template. On the left, we can now see our template featuring our video clip. We have now successfully embedded our video in our MailChimp template, and from here we test and send our campaign in the usual way. Thanks for watching, and please get in touch with any further questions.